What's the meaning of cheerleading? Cheerleading. Cheerleading.
Cheerleading. Cheerleading. Cheerleading is a sport and activity that involves cheering for a team or individual in a game or competition. Cheerleaders use a combination of dance, gymnastics, stunts, and cheers to rally the audience and boost the morale of the team they support. The ultimate goal of cheerleading is to create a supportive atmosphere and inspire the team to perform at their best. Cheerleaders also compete in their own competitions, showcasing their skills and athleticism in front of judges. Overall, cheerleading is a high-energy, dynamic activity that requires teamwork, athleticism, and a positive attitude.